Did you know that with Julius AI, you can analyze complex datasets, create charts, and even build dashboards just by chatting in plain English? No code, no formulas, just simple text and instant insights. Yes, it's possible. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Julius AI step by step. So, let's dive right in. To get started, first go to your preferred web browser, then type Julius AI in the search bar. Now, click on the first result that you get. In this interface, you will find a sign up and login option on the top right corner. Click on the sign up option. Here, you can use your Google account, Apple account, or continue with your email to sign up. I'm using my Google account. Then you have to choose your Google account. And there you have it, your own Julius AI account. Now that we have signed up and landed in this interface, let's try creating something with Julius AI. First, when you open this interface, you'll find the left panel with the control settings, which includes threads, notebooks, files, inbox, notebooks, documentation, and many more. And here is the main interface, where the text box is present in the middle of it. And in this text box, you can simply enter any prompt of yours, then click on enter. Also, you can change the format settings and edit the model itself. Suppose I want this prompt. Simply enter this prompt, then enter it. And as you can see, just within a few seconds, your answer will be generated successfully. And here is my answer, which is generated even with the code itself. The code explanation is also present here. You can simply rerun code, edit your code, or copy this. And just like this, the prompt of yours will be generated with the coding explanation answer within just a few seconds. So I think now you know how to use Julius AI step by step so that you can get the most out of it and create stunning coding options without knowing a single line of code. I wish you happy working. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.